Outstanding design defines the 2007 Toyota Camry. With fewer than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sedan prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. A 3.5-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated 6-speed automatic transmission, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Top features include cruise control, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, fully automatic headlights, remote keyless entry, and air conditioning. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you.